Tiny Dragon here. Ever heard of stopping on a dime? I saw this dime in the parking lot a couple of days ago when I got back. It was gone. I think the rain had moved it. $19.99. So anyway, this time when I pulled up, there it was. So I literally stopped on a dime, then moved forward so I could get it. You're gonna notice the bags are off the bike. We're gonna ride over to the house and grab them and put them back on, but look how shiny everything is. This was bike washing weekend. I'm gonna take this front fairing off so that we can reach the handlebars a little bit better. And we're gonna put some gaffer, I guess it's gaffer tape, around the handlebars so that the GoPro mount doesn't scratch it or scuff it. I want to add something to this video because if anybody watching has a Sport Glide, you're going to want to know this. It's going to make your life easier. Go ahead and turn the handlebars fully to the right to a full lock so you bypass all the wiring harness down here, and then when you undo the clip, it's going to be a lot easier to get out from underneath there. So get that side done first. Now turn the handlebars back normal or all the way to the left. If you can keep it fairly straight, it'll help you ease the fairing off a little bit easier. So then you'll grab this clip and then we'll take the fairing off. And then you guys are going to see the bike, whoops, naked. Okay, not completely naked because I do have the sissy bar on, which I could remove. It just quick releases with these clips on each side. But we won't go through that trouble. So just imagine it without it. But when you've got the Sport Glide stripped down, it is a soft tail and you've just got a whole different look to the bike. I think that worked out perfect. Turn to full lock and we still have clearance, barely. Now the fact that that lunged forward a little bit when I started it makes me wonder if this bike has a sticking clutch, because it is kind of hard to get down to first gear. Let's do this again. Maybe all Harleys roll forward a little bit when they're in first gear started. I don't know. When it has its 1,000-mile service, I'm going to ask about it. It's a powerful engine. And, you know, I'm used to Japanese metric cruisers and this Triumph, which is also metric. But, well, I guess it's metric. You know, I don't know. Tiny Dragon may not know what she's talking about with that one. Right? But it's smoothie, let's say that. It's buttery smooth. If I start it in neutral, probably wouldn't happen again. Maybe we should do that experiment. Alright, we're in neutral. It's all good. I'm going to go into first. It's a heavier shift down into first. But let the fun begin. Here we go. Hang on, I gotta put this cell phone in my pocket. I'm afraid it's gonna drop out, and that would be horrible. Get through the gate here. Only because all my cards are attached to it. Alright, let's go the long way to get the bags. and hope it doesn't rain on us. It says it's not going to, but we shall see. I think I need a stiffer mount for the GoPro camera. I'm using the flexible neck that goes on the jaw clamp, the grip. But it'd be nice if there was a little pole. That does look ominous up ahead. That would be par for the course if you just wash your bike and you get rained on. Now you might not believe this because those bags aren't that heavy, but the bike actually does handle and drive a little differently without the bags. I think the bags add just enough weight to the suspension to where it's a little softer. I really prefer them. Picked up this jacket from Harley today. It's mesh, so it's letting a lot of airflow come through. Yeah, I'm going to have to stop somewhere and adjust these earplugs. Oh my God. The wind noise is unbearable in here. It's like amplified everything. It's called the occlusion effect. Earplugs are only good if they're worn appropriately. Go to everybody's favorite store, the Home Depot. That'll give me a place to figure this all out, sort it out. Don't laugh at my hair when this helmet comes off. Ta-da! What I was saying is I used to invest in this like ponytail holder thing called the Hightail, which didn't stick to my helmet at all. And now if you just get like one of these little do-rags that's stretchy and throw your hair on top and tuck it back down in, it works probably better. Holds the helmet on tighter too. Man, does it look black back there, and you can see the rain. I think it's time to get to storage. And I just like washed my bike. Ugh. Literally not 1 minute to spare. Oh yeah, that's how we roll.